Now, yeah, we have understand the uses of colon, bracket, and parenthesis. Bracket is used for the matrix. Colon is used for the uh, interval and for vector also. And parenthesis is used for the uh, element of matrix. Go for the next. Creating vectors. A vector is one-dimensional array of numbers. MATLAB allows creating two types of vectors, row vector and column vector. There are two types of vectors, row vector and column vector. Row vector. Row vector are created by enclosing the set of elements in a square bracket because it's array. Row vector is also a special type of array. So we are using square bracket, using space or comma. For example, this. And column vector also created for enclosing the set of the elements in square bracket because column vector is also a special type of array. Using semicolon to separate the rows. Okay. Now let's see. CLER, clear. Clear for the clear to the workspace, and CLC for clear the command window. Okay. Now write R is equal to 7 space 8 space 9 space 10 space 11. This. Then enter. This is the vector. Okay. Row vector. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10. Sorry, I have written 10, 10. If you want to write like this, then you can do the same. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. You can do the same as the row vector for the row vector. Space or comma. You can use space or comma for the row vector. And column vector? For the column vector, C is equal to 7, semicolon 8, semicolon 9, semicolon 10, semicolon 11. Semicolon is separate for rows because in the column vector there are 5 rows in C. We have seen earlier. This is the column vector 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. You can say that in this array there is a 5 rows. Okay. And R, you can say there is a 5 column and 1 row. Okay. For separating the rows, we use semicolon. Now, example, this. X, I can clear for the workspace and CLC. X 4, 2, 9, semicolon. This is the first row and second row. 1, 3, 8. Okay. First row is 4 to 9 and second row is 1, 3, 8. Okay. Now use X dot cap 2. Enter. X, capital X dot cap 2. This will give you 16, 4, 81, 1, 9, 61. How? 4. First element 4. 4 square 16. Second element 2. 2 square 4. Third element 8, 9. 9 square 81. Fourth 1. 1 square 1. 3 square 9. 8 square 64. Okay. Next, I am taking Y. 1, 2, semicolon. First row, second row, third, fourth. Next, 5 space 6. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First row 1, 2, second row 3, 4, third row 5. This is 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay. I'm multiplying x cross y. X, the size of x is 2 cross 3 and the y is 3 cross 2. The output should be 2 cross 2. X star y. The output is 55, 70, 50, 62. Output is 2 cross 2. Matrix multiplication. Star is matrix multiplication. Okay. Now, the x, I am taking x1, 2, semicolon, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 cross 2. X square. X matrix square. X square means x star x. Matrix multiplication. I am using x dot cap 2. This means I am taking the square element wise. Here I am taking the square of matrix x. The answer is 7, 10, 15, 15, 15, 22. Okay. You can multiply x cross h, then you will find that the answer is 7, 10, 15, 22. It's not square. 1, if I put dot cap 2, then the answer is 1, because 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. The difference in dot cap and cap. Okay, like I cap 3. I means under root minus 1. I cap 3. This minus 1.000 I. Okay, I cross j star I star j should be minus 1. Minus 1. I plus j should be 2 iota. 2 iota. 2 iota. Because both are the imaginary number. I plus j. I is under root minus 1. Okay. I plus j under root minus 1 plus under root minus 1 is 2 under root minus 1. Okay. This means 2 iota. This is 2 iota. Okay. Now go for the next. These are very useful for us. The vector, matrix and array commands. Length. Compute number of the columns. Length command. Num el, find the number of elements. Max, the max returns largest element in each column. Min returns largest elements in each column. Min returns smallest element in each column. Sums each column. Short each column. Okay, short in this way. Minimum first, then second. Okay, minimum at top. Short means the minimum at top, minimum to maximum, increasing order. Okay. Find index of non-zero element. Product of each column. Reshape, change size, compute array size. Zeros, a matrix filled with zeros. Ones, matrix filled with ones. Rand, a matrix with uniformly distributed random elements. Rand n, a matrix with standard normally distributed random elements. EYI, identity matrix. Okay, I am showing on MATLAB. First of all, clear for command workspace, and CCL, CLC for command. Okay, A is equal to 1, 0, 3 semicolon minus 2, 5, 0. This is the matrix. 2 cross 3 matrix. 1, 0, 3 minus 2, 5, 0. Okay. Length of A, number of columns. LENGTH, length A means number of columns. How many number of columns? 3. Length of A is equal to. It will count, length will count the number of the columns. Okay. NUMEL, A, number of elements. How many number of elements? 6. The answer is 6. Number of elements. max A will compute the maximum of each column. Okay, in first column the maximum is 1, in the second column maximum is 5, and third column the maximum is 3. The answer should be 153. The answer is 153. Min A means the minimum of each column, means minimum of first column is -2, second column is 0, and third column is 0. The answer should be -2, 0, 0. -2, 0. Okay. Short. It will short each column minimum to maximum in increasing order. Then first column -2, 1, second column like this, as it is 0, 5. It is already shorted, and third column is 3, 0. It will convert in 0, 3. Okay, minimum to maximum. Then first column is -2, 1, second 0, 5 as it is, and third is 0, 3. Okay. Now I will take V, another vector, 3, 0, -5, 2. This is row vector. Okay. Length V. What should be length V? There is 4 columns. Okay. First, I have showed a vector A. Okay. Sorry, matrix A, and now matrix is row vector. NUMEN. How many elements in vector V or matrix V? Is 4. Max V. What should be max V? Max V is equal to 3. Okay, because max compute the maximum in each column, but there are only one element in every column, so it will compute the maximum in row wise, because there is only one row, so the maximum will be the row element. Okay. In short, there should be in increasing order row in increasing order, because there is only one element in each column, so the command short will be compiled in row. -2, 0, 2, 3. Okay. Now find A. What was A? If you want to see what was A, type A and then enter. A is this. Okay. Find A. Find A means non-zero, indices of non-zero element. MATLAB assign 1 as the first element. MATLAB go in column wise. First element 1, second element -2, third element 0, fourth element 5, fifth element 3, and sixth element 0. Find A. Find A means the indices of non-zero element. Then the answer should be 1 is non-zero, means 1, -2 is non-zero, means 2, 5 is non-zero, the indices of 5 is 4, indices of 3 is 5. The answer should be 1, 2, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 5. MATLAB read the matrix in column wise, not row wise. Generally we read the matrix in row wise, but MATLAB read the matrices in column wise. Okay. PROD, product of A. Product of each column. The product of 1 and -2, -2, 0 and 5, 0, 3 and 0, 0, -2, 0, 0, -2, 0. Reshape. Reshape means if you want to change row in column and column in row, this 3, 2. Okay. It will change row in column and column in row. Okay. This the size of A is 2 cross 3. Size of A resize 3 cross 2. And reshape means 3 cross 2. Then I have told you that the MATLAB will read the column wise, then first -2, second, third element is 0, then fill third 0, fourth element is 5, then it fill the second column 5, then 3, and then 0. It will not create in row and column. If you want to change row and column, then it is transpose. It's transpose. A is this and transpose is this. 103 minus 250. Reshape is not exactly transpose. Reshape is only change the size 2 cross 3 to 3 cross 2. Okay, and fill like 1 minus 2 0 5 3 0, because first element is 1, second element is 0, third element second element is -2, third element is 0, first element is 1, second element is -2, third element is 0, fourth element is 5, fifth element, because it will fill in column wise. MATLAB will fill in column wise. Okay, my first element is 1, second element -2, third element 0, fourth element 5, fifth element 3, and sixth element 0. Okay, understand? The transpose is another thing. The transpose, A is this, A transpose is this. Transpose is different thing. And find the size of A. Size of A is 2 cross 3. Size of A dash is 3 cross 2, 3 cross 2. Okay. I have done all the formulas. Now come from zeros. B is equal to ZEROL, zeros. I am taking 2 cross 3 matrix and filled with zeros. 2 cross 3 matrix filled with zeros. The command is zeros 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. Okay. I am taking another matrix ones. 3 cross 2 matrix. 3 cross 2 matrix filled with 1. Capital R is equal to rand, fill with random elements 3 cross 2. Okay, R1 is equal to, you can change the name R and R1. Okay, accordingly. Rand n 3 cross 2, 3 cross 2, standard normal distribution. Rand n. Okay, capital I is equal to EYE, identity matrix 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3 identity matrix. Okay, this is 3 cross 3. If you type EYE identity matrix 3 cross 2, then in the diagonal way there will be a 1 and other will 0. This. If you type EYE 2 cross 3, then the diagonal way there will be 1 and other zeros. Okay. Find A, you have seen the find A, non-zero indices. Okay. PROD, product A, reshape A, and size A. Okay. Size I2 is equal to 2 cross 3. Okay. Now go for the next. Linear spacing. Linear spacing generates a row vector y. Y is equal to len space AB, A comma B. Generates a row vector y of 100 points linearly spaced between and including A and B. Okay, 100 points. Y is equal to len space A comma B comma n. Generates a row vector of n points linearly spaced between including A and B. Okay, I'm showing you. Len space 1 comma 2, 100 points between 1 and 2, okay. Equally distributed between 1 and 2, include 1 and 2, okay. But len space 1 comma 2 comma 5, only 5 parts, 1 comma 2. It will give you 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75 and 2. Okay. It's like a row vector. Creating a submatrix. Okay. Capital A is equal to a matrix 1, 2, 3, second row, first row 1, 2, 3, second row 4, 5, 6, third row 7, 8, 9. To create a submatrix B consisting of rows 2 and 3 and column 1 and 2 of matrix A, then do the following. Okay. Next, to interchange row 1 and row 2, you can interchange row 1 and row 2 of A, use the vector of row indices together with the column operator. Okay. Let's start. CLER, clear for clear workspace. CLC, clear for command. Okay. Start with A is equal to 1 comma 1 space 2 space 3 semicolon 4 5 6 semicolon 7 8 9. Okay. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. I want to create a submatrix B from A. Okay. Bracket, large bracket. Row 2 and 3. I am taking row 2 and 3. 2, 3. Comma. Column 1 and 2. 1, 2. Okay. Bracket close. From A matrix, I am taking row 2 and 3 and column 1 and 2. The answer should be 4, 5, 7, 8. This 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. 4, 5, 7. P is 4, 5, 7. Okay. This is the submatrix. And now I want to change row 1 and row 2. C is equal to, from A matrix, I want to change row 1 and row 2. Okay. 2, first I want to row 2, then I want to write row 1, then row 3. One second. Okay, sorry. Comma, semicolon. Okay. Sorry. Semicolon. This. Okay. I have to write A. I want to first row 2, then row 1, then row 3, and all columns, comma, all columns. For all columns, write semicolon. Colon. Right? I have to write semicolon. That this is the error. I have to write colon. Okay. A. First, I want to note down row 2, then row 1, then row 3, and all columns. I have not write here comma colon, so it gives 417 only 417 because it gives only first column. If you want all columns, then you have to write column. Okay. Now the matrix function. The matrix determinant, diagonal of the matrix, eigenvalues, inverse, norm, rank, or recompute, reduce, row equivalent form. DET for determinant, DIAG diagonal of the matrix, EIG return to the vectors of eigenvalues of the matrix, INV inverse matrix, NORM matrix and vector norms, rank number of linearly independent rows or columns. Okay, REF computes reduced row equivalent form. Okay, now come on MATLAB CLER clear CLC. Okay, write A 1 0 2 semicolon 7 1 2 semicolon 6 1 0. The matrix is 1 0 2 7 1 2 6 1 0. Okay, I want to find determinant because it's a square matrix, so I can compute a determinant DETA. Determinant is A 7 1 1. The determinant is this. Okay, I have the wrong. I have written in the slides that is the wrong DA. Okay, the answer is determinant is this. Determinant is non-zero. Okay. Okay. DIAG diagonal of A. Diagonal of A is 1 1 0 1 1 0. Diagonal of A is 1 1 0. Okay. Norm of A is 9.5443. Norm of A. Norms, matrix and vector norms. Norm computes. Okay. EIG eigenvalue of A. EIGA eigenvalue is this. Okay, eigenvalue is this. And the another command V comma D. V comma D is equal to EIGA. This will give you V. V is the eigenvectors. First column is the eigenvector. First column of V is the eigenvector corresponding to this 4.7. Second column is the eigenvector corresponding to this, and third column is the eigenvector corresponding to 0. And the diagonal matrix, we have written A is equal to PD P inverse, and the diagonal matrix is this. First diagonal element is first eigenvalue, second diagonal element second diagonal, third diagonal element third diagonal. The D is a eigenvector is this, and eigenvalue is this. Okay. Rank of A. I can find the rank of A. The rank of A is 2. Okay. The rank of A is 2. Okay. Now we have used all the functions which is written in DET, DIAG, EIG, INV of A is warning this. Okay. The INV is this. Okay. Now I will show you 2 3 4 5. Okay. DET of A. DET determinant, because that A was the 3 cross 3 matrix, so I'm not computing the abstractly. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Determinant is minus 2. INV of A is equal to this. Okay, it is simple. 2 cross 2 is simple now. So I'm showing the 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix 2 3 4 5. Okay. Rank of A is equal to 2. Okay. EIG of A is equal to this. Okay. V comma D is equal to EIG of A is equal to this. Okay, DIA diagonal of A is equal to this. DIAG of A is equal to this. Okay, this is all about the matrix. How can compute the determinant, or we can find the diagonal directly, eigenvalues, inverse, eigenvectors, diagonal matrix, okay, rank. We can interchange the rows, columns, and you can work with the matrix in MATLAB easily, more easily than other softwares. Okay. Yeah. This is all about the matrix and using MATLAB, how we can create the matrix and compute the matrix. Okay. Now we can stop here. Thank you so much.